Since we moved into our home, Woodbrew has functioned out of 2 different rooms. Well, 3, including the shop. Dylan has his office in one of the bedrooms, and I have my desk in what I like to call the all-purpose room. It's got our closets and sewing machine and art supplies and packing and shipping station. It's kind of a hot mess. I kind of work all over the house wherever I'm comfortable, whether that be at the couch or the kitchen or at my desk, and I think that stresses Dylan out a lot, and that's why he likes to be in his own room. But today we are mixing and combining it all up and creating a Woodbrew HQ. For the past 5 months, we have been non-stop working on the teardrop camper that we just completed, shameless plug, and our house has been kind of neglected. When we first moved in, we just picked rooms real quick, like this will be our bedroom and that will be the office. Not really thinking twice. For the last little while, these rooms have been driving me crazy because they have no purpose at all. You ready to do this?
What exactly are we doing again?
Basically moving in again.
Okay, yeah. Well, you know, I'm all about change, so I like change. I guess,
It's like every room's about to get swapped.
Well, as long as my space is still the way I want my space to be, we're good.
Alright. Luna, you gonna follow us? Are you? You gonna help? Mabel's not.
Ugh, why?
You know what I get to do is vacuum.
Luna, what do you think about all this room? What do you think about all this room? What do you think about all this room?
Wow, it's weird. We basically threw everything from that room into this room, so now it is more of a hot mess than it already was. And now it's time to move things back out. Am I in your way?
A nice little spot to sew. You got way more light right here.
Yeah. That room
Way
is
more
so
light.
dark.
Oh boy.
Time for the dreaded part.
Oh boy. Look, okay, I work like 100 hours a week right here in this one little tiny 5 square foot area, so it gets messy. Leave me alone.
It's so bad.
Yeah.
So I have been using this desk for I don't even know how many years, and this cute but horrible for your back chair, it's not working anymore. So follow me to my storage room, if you will. We're gonna ignore this room for now. It has plywood in it for our next project, but there's something in here that has been in here for a little while, and it's time to put it together. Any guesses?
So Molly doesn't actually know what this thing looks like, which is kind of fun.
I really don't.
So open her up and see if you like it.
All I know is that it's bamboo. Ooh.
I hope you like it, sweetie.
Did you pick this out?
Yep, I picked it out for you.
Wow.
Wow, that does look super
That's
nice.
nice.
Wow.
I love like the coastal materials and textures and whatnot, so this will be perfect.
As big as you.
Literally. We'll just move this out the way.
Oh, look, that edge looks nice.
I know.
A sort of fun thing about this desk is that I picked this out and sort of told Molly that we were doing a video something different. So she didn't really know that she was getting herself a brand new desk, but she deserves it a lot. And if you will, leave a comment down below giving her a thumbs up for all of the editing and video publishing. Over 200 and like what, 50 episodes?
66.
267 episodes that she's made for this channel. That is a lot over a very long time. She's never had a really good proper desk. So hope you enjoy it, sweetie.
Thank you. I know I will. Like, my back is gonna be blessing you. I can't tell you how excited I am for this FlexiSpot E7 desk. It is a sit-to-stand desk that is powered by dual motors that can actually hold up to 355 pounds. The base is made out of carbon steel, which makes it super solid, and I won't have to worry about the stability of the desk itself or my computer items when it is at its maximum height. FlexiSpot is cheaper than other brands because they ship directly from the factory and they are highly customizable with different sizes and colors as well as accessories. Like this under-counter drawer that I know I'm going to love. Dylan is also putting on a cable management tray in conjunction with the one that already comes with the desk base and a clamp power strip that has a USB. We also got this ergonomic office chair from FlexiSpot that we are just about to roll out. Check out the E7 desk using the links below and get an extra 10% off using this code at checkout. Thank you, FlexiSpot. This is going to be game changer. Look, and you can also put your bike up to it.
Your bike?
Yeah, if you want to cycle and have a desk.
I'm a big fan of the cable management, the simple things that were thought through. Having cable management, having a little front little drawer here.
The colors look so good together.
Mm-hmm.
Not a little. Let's move this old thing out the way.
Yeah, we don't need this where you're going.
But it's still so cute. I'll use it somewhere because I'm a hoarder. Well, let me go get my new thing. Wait. Dun 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 dun!
Hey, you're gonna look. Just sit right there. Give it a little look.
All professional.
Oh.
Who am I?
It looks really nice as an L like that,
I know. Too. This chair just deserves a moment. These things slide up, forward, tilt, in and out. Up and down. Come on.
On the other side, that one makes the back adjust. If you rotate it, it's going to unlock it. Oh, wait, no.
Oh, that goes
forward. Dang, there's too many movements.
Oh, there we go.
See?
Okay, good night. I guess if you're confused about why we're doing all this in the first place, so this was our bedroom and it only has one closet, and this room that was my office has 1, 2, 3 closets that already have our clothes in it anyway, so why not make this our bedroom, which we probably should have done in the first place. Long story short, this wasn't our bedroom to begin with because there's only one window and that other one is so much brighter, so it was nicer. But things change, things happen. Let's continue on cleaning because this gives me anxiety. We spent a little while just moving and figuring out exactly where we wanted everything, and we finally came to a conclusion so we could start moving all of Dylan's desk items back in place and the rest of the office and camera equipment that were scattered throughout the house. While Dylan was getting his cable management together, I got tunnel vision and got the rest of the furniture and items in the other rooms put together. This process is oddly something I really enjoy. Getting to figure out a new area and deep clean just makes me so happy. Oh, this couch.
You don't even like it here, do you?
Not really. It's the only place for it though, and it is nice. I hate to get rid of it. Got a cramp. And I hurt my arthritis.
Well guys, welcome to the brand new Woodbrew HQ. It feels amazing, believe it or not, to have like basically the exact same stuff we already had, just
Together.
Consolidated in one room that's functional and nice to use, because like Molly mentioned before, we just sort of moved into this house, like set stuff up fast as we could, and we never really got around to just like taking a moment and taking a breath to do like a good reset here for like a quality workspace.
Yeah.
Quality work space for us.
I was kind of nervous about how this room would be, but I actually kind of love it.
Yeah.
Don't you?
Yeah, I actually, I thought this was going to be whatever because we didn't really add anything new other than Molly's desk. We didn't do some like massive like
Renovation or
makeover video or anything like that. But it just feels really good to have like not a bunch of clutter and personal things mixed in with business things and stuff like that. It's just like a really good, nice feeling to be in here.
Yeah, this room is for work.
Mm-hmm. So I'm pretty sure I already know what Molly's favorite thing about this room is. Hint, hint, her new desk. But mine is this. This very subtle, nice little area here that I hope to add on to as I get some more time. All this is like, what were these frames? They're $6 or $7 for 3 of them, so super inexpensive. And then I just printed out on some cardstock some 2D elevation drawings from SketchUp that I've done of recent projects. And I hope to continue to add onto this wall of past projects and some of my favorites as well as new projects, just to be able to have a constant reminder when I come to work of like what it is that I put so much time and energy into. Because although like we build stuff here on the channel, this is what I spend the majority of my time doing, and it's something that I really enjoy and I'm very passionate about. And it's nice to just have this visual representation. And like for instance, this guy right here, a seemingly simple project, the covered grill station. If you haven't seen it, you should definitely check it out. This is one of our best selling sets of plans. This video, the plans, everything is just done extremely well in this, and just want to say thank you guys. But being able to like get a constant reminder every day of that is really nice. And this is something I've wanted to do for a long time, but as I'm sure many of you can relate, simple things for yourself generally are like the last things that actually get done.
We have had a pretty busy, 4 or 5 months, so this video and these last few days were a good reset because we have another crazy busy next couple of months as well.
Yeah, if you have ever wanted to start a business or are starting a business or have a side hustle, you can relate to just constantly feeling like you're on a hamster wheel And Molly and I have been on a pretty crazy hamster wheel the last several months, and you know what? It's very nice to be able to just like stop and do something for ourselves for a little bit, even though it is business related. It feels like we're sort of pampering ourselves with setting this up.
Pampering just one day.
Yeah. And obviously there's a lot of stuff that we still want to do to this, but like I said, we're really just trying to do something quick and simple for us. But like
one idea, we want to put a big Woodbrew sign right here.
Yeah. Obviously we need some Woodbrew something in here, right? Like this wall here, and just like other simple small things I think that we might do to sort of further spice up this room.
Right.
But
I really like it.
yeah, I'm very happy with the way this turned out, and hope you guys enjoyed this like really simple video, and maybe it encourages you to set up a good home office for yourself, to maybe start a side hustle, or to just make a better work environment for something you already have going on.
I can already tell you it's worth it.
Yeah, it's definitely worth the little bit of time to set this up properly. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and
thank you FlexiSpot for sponsoring.
Yeah, and thank you guys for supporting us by buying plans and watching these videos, watching the sponsor ad segments. It really means a lot. Sometimes we see some negativity in the comments about it, but guys, this is what we do for a full-time living, and it means a lot for us to see comments supporting us through, you know, those sorts of things. So really appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.